Welcome to the 30-ton horizontal pod-mounted AC unit. Ideal for outdoor venues and manufacturing, this unit also comes as trailer mounted for easy transport. This side shows the electrical panel. Now we are looking inside the electrical insert panel. Here you have your voltage meter and toggle switch along with an hour meter and electrical components. Labels such as LR1, LR2, or CEM help when ordering replacement parts. We can also help with parts ordering if you provide us with a serial number located inside the electrical panel door. Units also come with a sticker in the right-hand corner that will provide you with the job number and shop floor number. Turning to the outside of the electrical panel door, we have a Ranco thermostat, indicator lights, and a mode selector switch. Below that is the cam connections for your cables, the main breaker, and the TXV access panel. There are also instructions listed for the Ranco thermostat. This is the condenser side of a 2-circuit unit which contains 2 compressors. This is the filter side of the unit. In order to change the filter, first loosen the 1/4-inch turns. Pull the panel off and slide the filters out. Clean them with water, reinstall and attach the panel. This side of the unit is where you will attach ductwork. All PACH 30 pod units contain 20-inch duct collars with covers. The top collars are for the supply air. Return air is sent out of the lower row. The supply duct contains a grate to keep debris from entering the unit. Below you can see the filters for the return air. For more useful videos of United Cool Air units, visit unitedcoolair.com.